Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 8 history, chapter 9, the making of national movement 1870s to 1947. Let's solve textbook exercise. Why were people dissatisfied with British rule in the 1870s and 1880s? So the people were dissatisfied with British rule because of the following reasons. British were exercising control over the resources of India. British were exercising control over the lives of its people, and until this control ended, India could not be for Indians. The Arms Act was passed in 1878, disallowing Indians for possessing arms. When Vernacular Press Act was also enacted in 1879 in an effort to silence those who were critical of the government. In 1883, there was a furor over the attempts by the government to introduce the Albert Bill. The bill provided for the trial of British and European persons by Indians and sought equality between British and Indian judges in the country. Next, who did the Indian National Congress wish to speak for? The Congress was composed of the representatives not of any one class or community of India, but of all the different communities of India. Hence, the party wished to speak for the masses in the fight for freedom. Next, what economic impact did the British World War have on India? First World War have on India. The First World War altered the economic and political situation in India. It led to a huge rise in the defense expenditure of the government of India. The government, in turn, increased taxes on individual incomes and business profits, increased military expenditure, and the demand for war supplies led to a sharp rise in prices, which created great difficulties for the common people. On the other hand, business groups reaped fabulous profits from the war. The First World War caused a decline in imports from other countries into India. Next, what did the Muslim League resolution of 1940 ask for? The 1940 the Muslim League had moved a resolution demanding independent states for Muslims in the northwestern and eastern areas of country. The resolution did not mention partition or Pakistan. Next, who were the moderates? How did this propose to struggle against British rule? The moderate leaders wanted to develop public awareness about the unjust nature of British rule. They published newspapers, wrote articles, showed how British rule was leading to the economic ruin of the country. They criticized British rule in their speeches and sent representatives to different parts of the country to mobilize public support. They felt that the British had respect for the ideals of freedom and justice and so would accept the just demands of Indians. What was necessary, therefore, was to express these demands and make the government aware of the feelings of Indians. Next, how was the politics of the radicals within the Congress different from that of the moderates? In the fight of Swaraj, the radicals adopted mass mobilizations and boycott of British institutions and goods. Some individuals also began to suggest that revolutionary violence would be necessary to overthrow British rule. Moderates, on the other hand, wanted to follow the rules, the laws, and the order posed by the British. They followed the practice of prayers, which the radicals totally opposed. Next, discuss the various forms that the non-cooperation movement took in different parts of India. How did people understand Gandhiji? At Kheda in Gujarat, Patidar peasants organized non-violent campaigns against the high land revenue demand for the British. In coastal Andhra and interior Tamil Nadu, liquor shops were picketed. In the Guntur district of Andhra Pradesh, tribals and the poor peasants staged a number of forest satyagraha, sometimes sending their cattle into forest without paying grazing fees. In Sindh, now in Pakistan, Muslim traders and peasants were very enthusiastic about the Caliphate call. In Bengal, too, the Caliphate Non-Cooperation Alliance gave innumerous communal unity and strength to the national movement. In Punjab, the Akali agitations of the Sikh sought to remove corrupt Mahants supported by the British from their Gurudwaras. People thought of Gandhiji as a kind of Messiah, as someone who could help them overcome their miseries and poverty. Gandhiji wished to build class unity and not class conflict. Yet peasants could imagine that they would help them in their fight against zamindars and agriculture laborers, believed he would provide them with the land. At times, ordinary people credited Gandhiji with their own achievements. Next, why did Gandhiji choose to break the Salt Law? The Salt March related to the journal Desire of Freedom, to a specific grievance shared by everybody and thus did not divide the rich and the poor. Hence, in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would lead a march to break the Salt Law. Next, discuss those developments of the 1937 and 47 period that led to the creation of Pakistan. The two-nation theory. Initially, the Muslim League never mentioned Pakistan to be the nation of Muslims. However, since 1930s, it started demanding a separate country for Muslims. Provisional elections of 1937, the elections were a decisive factors for Muslim League to decide that Muslims are the minority in India and they have to have a separate nation for them for the just representations in the politics. Rift between Congress and Muslim League. When Congress rejected the Muslim League's offer for a joint Congress, League a government is united provisions. The League decided to part away forever. Failed talks. No discussions could turn out to be successful where both Congress and Muslim League could come to a conclusion of a single nation. British too, at the end of Second World War, opened negotiation talks with both Congress and the League. However, it turned futile. Provisional elections of 1946, Muslim League's spectacular victory on the seats reserved for Muslims gave them the confidence to create a separate nation. Mass agitation, the failure of cabinet mission of 1946 led to the mass agitations led by the Muslim League. Partition was finalized and Pakistan was born. So this was chapter 9 of NCERT solution for class 8 history. I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.